If you're running a business, whether you're selling a product, service, or both, there's only one number that silently tells you whether your business model actually works, and that's gross profit. Gross profit is what's left after you sell something and deducted the direct cost of delivering that product or service. I'm going to use a very simple example to explain it to you. If you sell something for 100 Rand and it costs you 60 to make or buy, your gross profit is 40 Rand. But that 40 Rand is not your final profit. It still needs to cover the salaries, the rent, the marketing, the admin, and everything else. So if you don't have enough gross profit, you have a problem in covering everything else. So gross profit is our starting point. Because if your gross profit is too small, you won't have enough to pay for everything. Let's say your gross profit per item is only 5 Rand. It means you need to sell 20 more of the same product to make 100 Rand. Whereas a business with a gross profit of 20 Rand needs to sell only 5. And that is a hard race to win. So ask yourself, your pricing, is that correct for the services or product you provide? Are your input costs too high? Is your production or delivery process efficient? If your gross profit is too low, it also might be because you underprice out of fear. Yes, emotions play a role in pricing. You overpay for raw materials or stock. Might be that you're wasting time or resources in your delivery process. Maybe it's all three. So if you want to know if something is wrong, go back to gross profit. Maybe suppliers raise prices and you haven't adjusted your own. Maybe your team is taking longer to deliver the same service. Maybe discounts are eating into your margins without you noticing. And here, it is a question of how much discount can I give somebody? Because some business owners has the belief that as long as I can sell something, I'm fine. But don't keep in mind that if the discount are eating into your gross profit, they won't have enough to pay for the other expenses. So by watching your gross profit and comparing it on a month-to-month basis, you can spot problems before they become a crisis. Why don't you do a quick test? Take your sales of last month, deduct the cost directly related to those sales, like the product cost, raw material, the labor to make the product. That is your gross profit. Then ask yourself, is it enough to cover the rest of my business expenses? Would I be able to survive a quiet month? Am I growing profitably or am I just working harder? Remember, business can be busy and growing and still be broke if it's not making enough gross profit. Gross profit is so crucial. And if you're constantly firefighting, juggling bills, falling behind, keeping awake at night because of cash flow, your gross profit is one of the first places to look. It isn't about fancy accounting, it's about asking yourself, am I selling at a price that gives me room to breathe, to grow, to pay my people, including myself? If that answer is no, raise your prices, reduce your waste, Renegotiate supplier terms. Do the uncomfortable thing, but do it now, because your gross profit is the lever that makes everything else possible. If you like the content, please share it with other people if they can benefit from it. And then if you have a question that you want me to ask to answer in the future, please leave it in the comments below and I'll do so.